So anyway guys, it is a video ya Kasne and Musam Seleko. As you can see, they were dancing guys, and people under the comment section, they were so happy. We just want to see Sneh winning guys. Being a firstborn, it's not easy guys. For Sneh to have an opportunity to be next to her father guys, most I'm a firstborn, they don't get this kind of love guys. So trust me and believe, most of firstborn, they don't even know their father. Some of them, they just see in the street and be like, oh, that's my dad, you know, he's a married man, he doesn't care about us. I'm a firstborn, they go through a lot guys. For Sneh to have a father like Musam Saleko, he's providing you financially, he's there present supporting you guys. We all know that Usne, she has 3 kids, you know. Musam Seleko, firstly, when she found out Usne was pregnant, he was not happy, guys. I still remember back then on Utanes Tembo, season 2, season 3, you know, people were not happy how Musam Seleko was treating Usne, guys. And now look at them, they are happy, you know. I think he has accepted with Usne and Usne. There's nothing I can do. I cannot change it in Ghaniam. Let me just love in Ghaniam the way she is. So anyway guys, let's get to another story. We all know today it is Women's Day. I feel like Umusamselek is doing this so people can talk. He firstly posted Umaxele and Mayene guys. So obviously people are complaining, where is the Mangwabe and Tobile guys after that, and then he posted Tobile and Mango. We could have just posted them together guys. I think he wanted people to talk, you know, he enjoy attention lapana with social media guys. So anyway guys, tell me what you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Down.